We are ready. So, this brings me to point number 1 that Marcus Aurelius said, whenever you wake up, expect everything bad to happen in your life that you can think about. Expect everything bad to happen. And regarding other people, people are negative, people are arrogant, people will say things to you that you don't like. Expect that because they don't know what right and wrong is. Just expect that everybody you meet has the potential to harm you. So what happens if I tell you every single thing that you thought about that you will do today, you will fail? What will you do then?
You will not get hurt.
Yes, but what happens when I tell you that what you are about to do, you will definitely fail in that? What is your response?
You will try not to fail, maybe.
No, you'll definitely fail. What will happen?
I'll just stop worrying
By
about
doing
it.
so,
You'll stop worrying about it because your brain likes certainty. Your brain will accept unhappiness over uncertainty. Remember that.